Hi friends, welcome to my channel Be Confident. I'm Smita Agarwal. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the easiest alkaline water recipe. We'll also discuss the benefits of drinking alkaline water. But before we begin, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. But first we must know what is alkaline water. A pH scale measures from 1 to 14, where 7 is the neutral. So anything above 7 is alkaline. So alkaline water is water with higher pH level than normal drinking water. Actually, our body needs to maintain a certain pH balance which is required to carry out various processes in the body. A small consumption of alkaline water every day, it helps in maintaining the pH balance in our stomach, and it actually benefits our body in many ways. So here's a very simple alkaline water recipe. Take a glass container and fill it with water. This is a 1 liter bottle. 1 liter of alkaline water consumption in a day is enough for the body. Overconsumption is also not good. So here I've taken a small piece of cucumber, which we also call kakdi or tar in Hindi, and 1 lemon. I am only going to use a quarter of this lemon. So now I'm adding these cucumber pieces and the 2 small lemon wedges. The water started spilling out, so I'm taking out some water and I'll refill it again afterwards. Now just seal it with its cap and leave it overnight. The alkaline water is now ready. It is advisable to drink 1 glass of this alkaline water in the morning on an empty stomach, and then subsequently finish it off in small amounts during the rest of the day. During this pandemic, this alkaline water will prove beneficial as it is a great immunity booster. It is very good for the skin. It detoxifies the body. It also helps in weight loss. It is good for the bones, for your liver, and above all, it keeps you hydrated. So friends, do give it a try and let me know in the comment section how you felt about it. This is all for today. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Be Confident.